Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating versions and grabbing a quick backup of your presets and watch folders so nothing is lost. Once done, close all background apps and free at least 20% disk space and RAM to avoid swapping. This reduces encoder failures dramatically. Make sure permissions are correct on destination folders and that you run Media Encoder as administrator on Windows or with full disk access on Mac OS. Now relaunch the app and load one problematic job to reproduce the error immediately. You now diagnose the failure by isolating the exact job and codec causing the crash. Remove other items from the queue to focus on one export. Then reset Media Encoder preferences and clear the media cache to eliminate corrupted index files that often cause failures. Update or roll back your GPU drivers depending on when failures started, and if codec problems persist, transcode the source to an intermediate codec like ProRes or DNxHR and re-export. This often resolves container or decoding issues. To finish, run the export using software encoding and try alternative containers like MP4 versus MOV to determine hardware versus codec problems. If that succeeds, enable hardware acceleration and test again gradually. If failures persist after cache clearing and driver tweaks, reinstall Media Encoder or use the Creative Cloud Repair tool to fix damaged components. Finally, if nothing works, collect encoder logs and a sample failing source file. Provide them to Adobe support so they can reproduce and fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.